keep the Enduro Plus printer working properly, you should clean the printer every time you change the dye film ribbon. To do this, you will need a new cleaning card and cleaning pen, a new package of dye film, and your Enduro Plus turned on. There are 4 easy steps to cleaning the Enduro Plus. First, remove the cards and dye film from the printer. Remove the card hopper from the back of the printer and open the lid to remove the dye film ribbon and the blue sticky roller underneath it. Remove the metal bar from this blue roller and keep it in a safe place. Next, clean the printer using the automatic cleaning mode. Use the menu on the front of the printer and navigate to the Clean Rollers option. Use the keys to work through the guidance messages, ensuring your printer is ready for cleaning. Open the pouch containing the new cleaning card and remove the card. Select Yes on the printer and insert the small end of the cleaning card into the slot on the front of the Enduro Plus. Flip the card and repeat this process at least 2 to 4 times in order to get everything really clean. While the card is in the printer, deposits left during the printing process are being removed by the alcohol in the card. The cleaning process takes only a few seconds, and when it's done, you will clearly see the result. After heavy use, the printer rollers may require manual cleaning. Leave the automatic cleaning mode and select Move Card from the main menu. Fold the cleaning card in half and press it onto the main middle roller while holding down one of the Move Card buttons. Move the cleaning card back and forth on the roller for around 15 to 20 seconds while holding down either button. You may also wish to clean the rear intake roller. Hold the Up Move Card button while pressing the cleaning card onto the rear roller for 15 to 20 seconds. It is important to clean the print head on the Enduro Plus. Gently move the pen across the print head's Teflon surface to remove any dust or residue. The final step in cleaning is to install a new blue sticky roller into the printer and replace the dye film. The blue roller removes dust and debris from the cards during printing and is essential in preventing damage to the unit. Remove the blue roller from the dye film box and insert the metal bar which you set aside earlier. Unwrap the roller and snap it into place directly above the orange roller towards the back of the unit. Place the dye film into the printer exactly as shown. Gently close the lid of the printer and replace the card hopper into the back of the unit. Your Enduro Plus is clean and ready to print.